It was one of the coolest moments of my life. I got to create a magic moment for my dad, and a bonus moment happened that I didn't even see coming. My dad's 93. He hasn't been doing great health-wise. He hadn't seen me speak in years and can't drive. So my sister, who's the hero of the family, taking care of my mom and dad back east, she drove him to get him to the event. Well, during the event, I tell the audience, if you've seen my acceptance speech, you know my dad's advice.
I'll never forget. My dad probably doesn't even remember. He said, I don't care what you want to do. Just be the best. And I am, Dad.
So I told my audience they had a one-of-a-kind opportunity to have my dad sign the book, 17 Minutes to Your Dream. He is a quiet, shy guy. He didn't know what to do with it. It was so cool, and I'll never forget it. But what came next blew me away. People actually asked my sister to sign the book. Now, she had been a high-level executive, but she came up to me after saying, no one's ever asked me to sign something. What a double bonus. Create magical moments for the people in your life.